People have asked me, "Well, don't you want to retire?" And I can't imagine wanting to retire.
He's an artist. I don't know very many artists who retire. Painters want to continue to paint. Sculptors want to continue to sculpt.
He said he wants to do it for 50 years. He wants to do it till he's in his 80s. You know, he's not quietly going off and retiring.
The Daytime Emmy recognizes Caroll Spinney, a gifted and compassionate man, with a special Lifetime Achievement Award for extraordinary contributions.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
He's afraid to stop. He's happy doing it, you know?
I don't think he could stop.
Yeah, he's stuck.
You get to meet so many good people. I hear so many stories about what Sesame Street has meant to people. I'm really proud of that.
The last time I saw Caroll was 30 years ago.
Sesame Street is doing a 30-year retrospective of Big Bird in China.
So Xiaofu is going to reunion with Big Bird.
Can't wait to see her.
Oh, yeah.
I knew I was gonna cry. My little girl.
The love was just pouring out of us. The tears are pouring down our cheeks.
Deborah and I were beyond joy.
It was just like this, this wonderful meeting, like you found your long-lost child.
He said, "Oh, Big Bird always loved Xiaofu." And I said, "Xiaofu always loved Daniel."
All these decades of pure love, that of course is the true secret to Big Bird. Just unconditional love.
G. Wait a minute. What comes after G? Gee, it's not exactly what I was expecting, but it was a lot more exciting.